Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn some very useful house vocabulary. We'll talk about different types of houses and simple words about their components. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to name all your house's components confidently in English. So, let's get started.
Let's begin with the main rooms inside a house. Room is a space that can be occupied by one person or a group. Bedroom. It's a room for sleeping. This is where you usually keep your bed. Bathroom. A room with a shower or bath, a wash basin, and usually a toilet. Kitchen. A place where food is prepared and cooked. Living room, or lounge. A room for relaxing, watching TV, or spending time with family. Dining room, a room where meals are eaten, usually close to the kitchen. Now let's look at some rooms with special uses. Study, or home office, a room used for reading, writing, or working. Garage, a place to park your car or motorbike. Store, a room where you keep extra items or goods. Closet, a small space for storing clothes or household items. Pantry, a small room or cupboard for food, dishes, and utensils.
Next, let's talk about outdoor spaces connected to the house. Garden, an area near a house for growing flowers, fruits, or vegetables. Balcony, a small platform outside an upstairs room, usually with a railing. Terrace, a flat, open area outside a house, often used for relaxing or dining. Porch, a covered entrance at the front of the house. Finally, here are some additional parts of a house you should know. Corridor, a long hallway with rooms on either side. Attic, a space just under the roof, often used for storage. Basement, a room below ground level, usually for storage. Foyer, the entrance area or reception space in a house. Den, a small, cozy room for relaxing, reading, or watching TV. Great job, everyone! Now you know the most common parts of a house in English. I hope this lesson helps you feel more confident when talking about your home. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our next English lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.